cute or whatever. Cute. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here, you might as well just subscribe already. Like, what is the holdup? Anyway, if you've seen the title of my video, then you know this is a hair coloring tutorial. I was able to do this color process in one day, when typically when I've done this color before, it's taking me 3 to 4 days, just because you don't want to over process and you want to get the perfect tones that you want. So that the purpose of this video is just to make it simple. Like, you can get the highlights and lowlights in one step. I promise you can. It might not, if you want it really super bright, you might have to do a 2-step process, but we're not gonna do all that. And you know, I promise it's all beginner friendly because yeah, I like it to be easy and simple. And who don't want to color their hair in one step? Like, I'm not trying to be coloring my hair for a week. Feel me? So if you're interested in seeing how I got this color, which I hope that the camera's picking up, just keep watching. For this look, I used 3 bundles of 16-inch body wave, Kaleidoscope, and quick blue powder bleach, 20 and 40 volume developer, and Wella toner. And here I'm just mixing the powder bleach and the developer. Typically when I'm doing highlights and lowlights, I like to use different brands of powder bleach. The volume of developer you use is completely dependent on the contrast you want between the tones. I'm doing 20 and 40 because I don't want too much contrast, because I know we're going to tone the hair and it's going to lighten as well. But my beauty supply store goes up to 60. Now if I was to do like a 60 and a 30, you would see like a really stark difference between the two colors. But I didn't go for that look, but it's completely dependent on what you're going for. So for each bundle, I'm going to do a different coloring pattern because I really want a lot of contrast in the way the color lays. So I'm going to start with the highlight and ombre combo. And I'm going in with the 40 volume developer first. And then I'm going to ombre with the 20 volume developer. And I got this idea to thumbtack the hair onto the wall because it actually stops the bundles from moving. I don't know if you've ever been highlighting and the hair is just moving and the bundles are just moving. This makes it a lot easier. Just make sure you have a bag on the floor because some of the bleach will drip. So here I'm just repeating the same 2 steps. I'm just going to speed it up until we get through this bundle, and then I'll show you the steps I took for the second bundle and the third bundle. For the second bundle, I'm just doing traditional highlights, but I'm going in with the 40 volume developer only. And we're just going to speed through this as well. For the last bundle, I also did traditional highlights, but this time I used the 20 volume developer mixture. And we're also going to speed through this. So for the lace closure, I just did the 2 highlighted pieces in the front, and I did that with the 40 volume developer mixture. And for the rest of the closure, I pretty much just did random pieces and just alternated between the 20 and the 40 volume developers. So after the bleaching process comes the toner, a very necessary step. I'm using T14 and T15, and measurement is very important when it comes to toner. So I'm using the 2-part developer for 1-part toner. I said that correctly. as you keep mixing, you'll notice this like jelly-like consistency, and it'll change color as you're using it as well. At this point, I'm just going to saturate the hair in the toner, and the hair is damp, towel dried, and I'm going to saturate everywhere, including the black roots. Now, doing this will lighten the black roots to a brown. If you're doing this and you don't want to lighten it to a brown, you want to keep it dark, do not tone the black parts of the hair because it will lighten. After toning, washing, conditioning, and air drying, this is what I'm left with, and it came out absolutely perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. And just like I was saying in the previous clip, you see how the roots kind of turn to a brown. It's so perfect. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know if it was easy to follow. Let me know if you're going to be trying it. Let me know if you like it on me. Like, just leave a comment, like, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, even though you should have subscribed in the first 2 seconds. But I'm going to just remind you in case you forgot. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video.